Hi everyone, Simon here. It's Friday the 16th of December. Just a quick update for you. Can't be long because my cough will kick in any moment, so bear with me. 500 millibar chart here from weatheronline.co.uk. The time of the chart here, top left hand corner. Knocking it on. You can see how the jet stream is northwesterly through tomorrow. This brings a cold day through Saturday across much of the country. Ridge builds in from the west, look, and then as we get through into next week, so we find quite a deep trough here, look, developing over eastern parts of Europe. Into Tuesday, ridge building in from the Atlantic. This is the ridge that I was looking to build a little bit further north up here, but it now looks as if it's going to be confined to the south. What it does do is bring milder conditions through the British Isles, warmer weather, and probably dry weather too for most of England, Wales and Ireland. Still though, look, the jet is quite established across Scotland, so I think here we're tending to stay more unsettled and still fairly cool. Into Wednesday, another weak ridge builds through, but by the end of the week, look, starting to see little area of low pressure coming in across southern parts of Iceland. Now, look how that strengthens up the jet stream. This is the trough that I was telling you about yesterday. I was looking for a split to take place in this, off the southern part of it, and if that split had taken place, that would build high pressure for the Christmas period, but it doesn't look as if that's going to be taking place now. It does look as if it's quite a nasty little area of lower heights here, which if we've got an area of low pressure in there, which we will have, could actually spin up and could bring us a very windy day next Thursday. As that clears through, remember these are 500 heights, not surface pressures, but as that clears through, the flow could go into a colder northwesterly through Friday, particularly across Scotland, Northern England and Ireland. And then into Christmas Eve, we got the jet stream established across the Atlantic again. Look, another small storm system trying to come across Scotland. Whether this actually happens or not is open for debate at the moment. But it does try and bring one of these systems through in the jet stream flow, and this would be entirely consistent with this flow. Look, you can see the jet straight out of Canada there, coming across the Atlantic, through the British Isles and through Europe. And then as we're heading towards Christmas itself, into Christmas Day, so we find the jet stream over the top, look, so quite unsettled conditions, blowing in those winds from the west through Christmas, and I think we'll see just periods of rain at times. Temperatures probably falling off from next Friday onwards. Here's the surface pressure charts. This is how the pressure shapes up as we get through the course of next week. There's today, look, low pressure is over us, moving away. Here's the cold north to northwest flow that's been bringing the snow showers through today. And here's the ridge trying to build, look, out in the Atlantic, but it just doesn't succeed very well. I think as we get through Saturday in towards Sunday, so the ridge collapses away down towards the south. A front then moves through on Monday, but look, pressure is generally higher across the south through Tuesday, although there will be some rain moving its way eastwards on Tuesday. Wednesday sees most of the rain focused across Scotland, and here come those strong winds, look, for Thursday. So quite a windy day on Thursday and turning colder behind as this Arctic flow sets in, or polar maritime flow sets in across Scotland and Ireland as well as northwest England later. I think we need to watch for snow showers next Friday across northern and western areas. And then into Christmas Eve, well, I actually think it could be quite cold in the northeast. Some snow showers across northern England, Scotland as well, down towards the south, probably milder, but don't be surprised if this low is a little bit further south. It could be that colder air managed to dig deeper southwards through most of the country. And then there's that area of low pressure crossing for Christmas Eve. Here's the cold air coming in during the later part of Christmas Eve, perhaps bringing some snow showers across Scotland, Ireland and northern parts of England. And then for Christmas Day itself, well, quite a cool, fairly unstable westerly flow. So I think we're going to look at a mixture of quite greasy conditions, probably sunny spells and probably some showers. Those wintry over the hills of Scotland, perhaps even at low levels in Scotland, but I think falling as rain further south. Okay, I'll keep you updated obviously through the week, but as usual, this site is kept free of charge by the advert you see around the screen. If you see an advert you like, click on it, go through to the sponsor. It generates revenue for us, and it shows the sponsor that you're interested in what we're doing. I'll be blogging throughout, so check out the musings that are here on the site, and keep the sun shining.